Traveling with your gaming system isn't always easy, especially if your console is particularly bulky. Since the PS5 is known to be one of the largest systems around, you'll definitely need a good carrying case if you plan on taking it on the road with you. There are many products available to choose from best PS5 travel cases, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best PS5 travel cases from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. USA Gear PS5 Console Travel Case. Topping our list is an all-around fantastic carrying case with a super durable exterior and customizable interior pockets for all your essential accessories. Designed with a combination of water-resistant ripstop nylon and a hard-reinforced shell, this USA Gear travel case is sure to keep your console safe, and it is even backed by a 3-year manufacturer warranty. There is adjustable pocket space inside to store and organize controllers, headphones, and cables, and the extra external pockets are perfect for storing smaller accessories. The padded shoulder strap and convenient handle make transportation a breeze, and the discreet design provides extra security. Number 2. Tomahawk Premium Backpack for PS5 Console. For a super versatile and convenient option, you can't go wrong with this durable backpack, built specifically for the gamer on the go. The sleek black design is as practical as it is stylish, and features 3 separate compartments. A cushioned main compartment with 2 belts to secure your console, a middle compartment for controllers and headphones, and a third pocket for smaller accessories like discs and cables. Although the exterior is soft and cushioned, the ultra-durable material is water-resistant and will protect your PS5 from collisions, scratches, dust, and rain. Number 3. Cosmetics PS5 Hard Shell Travel Case. Offering maximum protection for your console, this hard-shell PS5 carrying case features an airtight pressure release valve that makes the bag completely waterproof. The premium foam interior will also ensure that your tech and accessories are protected from shock and collision, and the durable exterior is completely crush-proof. Dual padlock rings provide extra security, and internal compartments offer plenty of room for 2 controllers, cables, headphones, and extra accessories. You can carry this briefcase-style bag around with a comfortable folding handle, and enjoy complete confidence in knowing that your console is safe from dust, dirt, and moisture. Number 4. Stovetop PS5 Travel Case. If you prefer a standard shoulder bag to a backpacker hard shell case, check out this top-rated PS5 carrying case from Stovetop. The stylish gray bag features a waterproof nylon exterior and a soft yet structured design. The plush interior is lined with soft velvet and shockproof cushioning, and the adjustable shoulder strap and handles are super comfy and allow for easy transport. With partitioned storage space, the large interior can hold several large accessories, and there is even an external pocket for games, cables, and other small items. Number 5. Enhanced Gaming Console Backpack. Nearing the end of our list is a super stylish travel case for PS5, with an Arsenal-style front pocket and bold blue accents. The Enhanced Gaming Console Backpack is tall and narrow, which makes it super convenient to carry. It also comes with a cache-style accessory section that can easily fit plenty of accessories, from games and controllers to power cables and gaming mice. The durable moisture-resistant fabric combines with a weather-resistant liner to keep your console and accessories safe from the elements, and Enhance even offers a 3-year warranty, so you know that you're getting the best of the best. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.